I don't care. Getting that key right. I don't care if we came the right way or if we're heading in the right direction. 'Cause where we are, beautiful. It's beautiful. Here is beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm keeping my hand on my ear. My ear holes are so small that no AirPod fits into it. So yeah. So this is gonna be our interview, okay, today.
Hi guys, welcome to Bollywood Life. I'm Hitesh Malik और आज हमारे सामने है very talented singer Shalmali. Shalmali, welcome to the portal and first of all congratulations that you're doing such good work promoting indie artists. What do you want to say about that?
Hitesh, thank you so much for having me on your show. I am so delighted to speak to you and to speak about what I'm doing right now. जो मतलब music तो मैं 10 साल से अब करते आ रही हूँ, पर I'm trying to diversify and be of more consequence to other artists who are doing similar work as me. So yes, I am absolutely in support of independent music, independent artists and diversity in general. जब हम डाइवर्सिटी की बात करते हैं तभी आई एम नॉट ओनली स्पीकिंग अबाउट म्यूजिक इन दिस केस आई एम स्पीकिंग अबाउट एनीवन इन देयर लाइव्स हु वांट टू डू समथिंग दैट दे आर स्कैर्ड शायद एक्सेप्ट नहीं होगा या मैं करूंगी तो मैं फेल हो जाऊंगी या हो जाऊंगा और दैट इज व्हाट्स कीपिंग देम फ्रॉम रियली डूइंग व्हाट दे वांट टू डू बट और ये मेरे साथ भी हुआ है यानी मुझे कब से इंडिपेंडेंट म्यूजिक करना था इंग्लिश इंडिपेंडेंट म्यूजिक करना था पर आई कुडंट डू इट बिकॉज आई वाज सो स्कैर्ड एंड नाउ आई फील लाइक आई एम डूइंग इट और करने के बाद जो मुझे एक सेटिस्फैक्शन और एनकरेजमेंट और जॉय मिल रहा है वो मैं चाहती हूँ कि सब लोग एक्सपीरियंस करें and diversity is the way forward, is the way to be yourself, your true self, whatever it may be. जैसे भी हो, जितने भी लोग accept करें आपको the way you are या ना करें, but that joy of just being yourself, I want to share that joy with people.
Kudos to you, man. I feel extremely great about the idea. So tell me, how did this idea came to your like in your mind? Like, how did you thought of doing this and promoting Indian artists, indie people?
Like I said, it comes from me. It comes from the fact that मेरे ये struggles थी. I faced this struggle of being a Bollywood singer who has wanted to do independent music, पर independent music को उतना spotlight कभी मिला नहीं है जितना it deserves.
Right.
And वो होगा. I'm sure वो होगा अगर हम consistently effort उठाते रहे उस direction में and I think I can't just I felt like I couldn't just sit back and hope that it happens. I felt like I needed to do something and merchandising is something that I have wanted to get into for a long time. यानी मुझे
are you into fashion as well? Like
yes, big time. Like I love like sketching my own outfits for shows and stuff. Wow. Which I will want to get made and I try to keep myself updated with what is going on, what is in trend, what is trend forecast, what will happen, the colors, the palettes, the styles that will come in fashion. So I wanted to get into merchandising, but I knew that I'm a musician first.
Right.
That is something that I don't want to stray from, which is doing music and doing my work through music. So now with merchandising, I feel like I can show my music in another medium, which is through either clothing or any, home stuff. So I'm just giving you a cue that my merchandise is not going to only be stuff you wear. It could probably be stuff you keep at home also.
Wow. I've actually gone through the website and see the stuff already there is pretty cool. So I am definitely looking for more stuff in there. So tell me about the designs. How do you have specific designers or what's your say in that? How do you go about things?
So like I said, everything stems from the music. And right now, whatever I'm doing is from the music. So the first piece of merch that I released is called the I Back Diversity T-shirt. And it's got a very fun print on the back, which is like a grocery style bill with all the songs that I have composed.
Beautiful.
And thank you. And that idea is by my collaborators, Much Better, that I collaborated with for this project. And they said, let's do a grocery style bill of your songs and then say thank you for streaming on the bottom instead of thank you for shopping. And then I said, why not put a QR code instead of a barcode, which directs you to some place that, only once you buy the t-shirt or once you have that QR code will you know where that scan takes you. So we just built on that idea. I thought it was very fun. I really like it also, but I just felt like I didn't only want the merch to be about the music. I wanted it to be about something that anyone could relate to. So say if you're wearing the I Back Diversity t-shirt, which has I Back Diversity written here, then you could be supporting any kind of diversity, whether it's of opinion or orientation or your views in life or the kind of work you're doing.
It. Yeah.
I want it to be for everyone and not just musicians. I'm sorry, I'm keeping my hand on my ear. My ear holes are so small that no AirPod fits into it. So so this is going to be our interview today.
I'll put this disclaimer in the starting of the interview so that everyone can know that.
Yeah, do that. Or you can just put this clip saying Shalmali's hand is on her ear because no earphones fit in her ear.
That's actually a huge problem because how do you manage? Because I really want to work out and listen to music and stuff.
Exactly. So I'll tell you how I solved that problem for myself. You know how you get those that go around the ear? Like it goes. So I use those for when I go for runs and when I'm working out so that it doesn't fall out because bhai mere kaan mein kuch nahi rehta hai.
So cool. Achha, Shalmali, you have tried acting also in some Marathi project, if I'm not wrong. So do you have such aspirations? Do you want to diversify yourself as an actor, or do you want to explore that genre? What's it?
Well, I do enjoy acting. In fact, I've done a lot of it in my earlier years. Theatre mostly, not so much film, but I have done a East Indian film long back, like I was 18 at that time. So it's a while back, and if any acting opportunity comes my way, I'd love to do it, although that is not the focus of my life right now. Like I'm so enjoying doing what I'm doing right now, which is writing my English music and composing music for a Marathi film that I just debuted as a composer on, and merchandising. And I want to diversify in more ways than just being in the public eye as a face.
Right.
Because somewhere when you start getting some kind of recognition, people start recognizing you. They want to know what you look like and what. That's great, and it really sucks you into this place where you want more of that. You want people to recognize you more and more, and when you don't get that, you feel bad and you feel like, oh my God, maybe I'm not relevant anymore. Maybe I'm not good enough. I don't want that bullshit in my life.
Can I say that you're too evolved for this whole setup? Because it's actually a very evolved thought.
Yeah, this is another problem, by the way, Hitesh. I feel like I'm always so not thinking my age, and I'm missing out on everything I should have felt when I was a certain age. Like this has been happening bachpan se with me.
But if you're at peace, then I don't think it should matter, right? If you're at peace with yourself, you're not.
I wish I was at peace. Nahi na, wo bhi nahi hai. Matlab, I'm at peace in a way that I'm glad I realized certain things, but I'm such a big hustler na bhai. Matlab, I'm continuously running behind something or the other, which is why my next album has a song called Running, which is on this topic. And it's fine. I mean, I accept the person that I am. I need a lot of work. I also know that. But going back to what I was saying, I don't want to be so much in the public eye as a face. I want to be in the public's mind as a brain. I want to be the ideator, the conceptualizer, the creator, more than, oh look, it's that girl who we saw in that video or in that film. That excites me more, I feel. I don't know if that makes sense.
So we won't see you doing acting in your own music videos. We won't see you doing that.
Oh, that you will. That is my music. There you will.
Thanks.
You will, at least. I mean, I love being in front of the camera. I love photo shoots. I love being in videos.
And I love your style. The things you do to your hair and everything, like it's quite jazzy.
Yeah, I love experimenting with that stuff too. And just as much love as I get for it, I get a lot of slack for it also. But
do you care?
Part and parcel.
Do you care?
I do.
Oh, yeah, but it's human too. Yeah, it's human too. Like,
I'm a very sensitive person. Yeah, I mean, even if like I don't know the people and I don't know where that emotion of spite is coming from, it affects me, and I'm sure it affects everyone who's on social media. I'm not that thick-skinned, so I cry very easily and get affected very easily.
So
but that's again something.
How do you respond to trolls? Then how do you take up? Like, do you reply to them? Do you ignore them? Do you block them? How do you go about that?
It's a day-to-day thing. Like if I'm feeling like then I may type a reply and not send it, or type a reply and send it and then delete it later, or type a reply and just keep it saying that le abhi dekhte hain, so it's really not something that I have a pattern for. But mostly I have to say I have very, very kind and good people on my following, and I'm really grateful that they are the way they are.
I don't know any Shalmali hater. Look at hear your songs and you were like already in like a different zone. I don't think people would hate you.
Yeah, it's not about really hate, I think people are just wanting to express themselves in some way and get noticed by that expression.
Possible.
Yeah, and some people, like, especially I feel like there are some Maharashtrians for whom a young person coloring their hair white is like a very dhakkadayak, scenario. Like you had, like my roots are black, but my ends are white. It should be the other way around.
Right.
So, so that's like a bit of a culture shock for people who have led their lives in a very, conventional way. But again, to be able to expose them also to this way of living is another thing for me. And I understand where they are coming from some days. Some days I just go like, why can't you just let me be? Yeah, it's a human thing.
Yeah. Okay, tell me what next you are working on, what we hear from you next, and also you need to sing some lines for me of your latest tracks or something. Yeah.
So incidentally, I am wearing one of the samples for the new merch.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
It's called Here Is Beautiful. It's a song that I did with Sunidhi Chauhan in the last album. And we've been working on that merch for a while, but the pandemic happened and we couldn't really launch it. So I don't know if I'm going to release this, but I'm happy that at least I get to wear this t-shirt.
Looks so comfy.
Yeah, and it's got like a nice big print called Beautiful on the back, and it's got the lyric of the song Here Is Beautiful on it also.
Yeah. Could you just
I don't know. Yes. So this is again from 2X Side A, the album I did last. I don't care. Getting that key right. I don't care if we came the right way, or if we're heading in the right direction. 'Cause where we are, beautiful. It's beautiful. Here is beautiful. That's the name of the song.
Dude, why so beautiful?
It is a very peaceful, it's a very, I feel, if I may say so, it's a clutter breaking song because it doesn't have a heavy rhythm section. It's purely just the lyric and the vocal and minimal production. and that's the kind of music that I like. So I'm really happy that I could do that for 2XIDE, my album, and have Sunidhi Chauhan sing it with me. So if you haven't heard it, please listen to it. She is an angel. She's really an angel. I am so sure she's actually an angel who's come in like human form. But
wow.
The time that I have known her, I think I am getting convinced more and more that this is not a human being. This is a human being. मतलब बाहर से अंदर से angel है.
Wow, man, such kind words. I think people who say these things about others have this thing in themselves also, because they are able to see good in others because they are so good in themselves. That's what I feel. I can feel this while talking to you. I can feel the positive vibes, positive energies coming in. So I can definitely, bet on that.
Thank you, Hitesh. You're very kind yourself to say that. So thank you.
Thank you so much, Shalmali. It was amazing talking to you. And I feel whatever you're doing, with campaigns you're doing, they will rock, and they will get, people will get a lot of chances to actually, showcase their talent via you, your medium. And you're already doing a great work. So thank you so much for just existing and doing all that thing.
Thank you, Hitesh. In fact, on that note, now that you're saying about the chances, I'll reiterate the IBAC Diversity Artist Program I'm doing right now, in which I'm asking everyone who is a music creator. So whether they write lyrics or they make compositions or they sing or produce or do anything that's original, I want them to buy the IBAC Diversity t-shirt, be in that t-shirt and perform their music, and either post it on their social media tagging me and IBAC Diversity, or I want them to email it to youshouldaudition@gmail.com, and I'm really waiting to listen to the original music by Indian artists, so I can, promote them on my website, on my YouTube. And I'm getting entries right now, but I'm hoping to listen to more.
How's the response?
It's good, but people, I think, are taking a little time to understand the funda of being in the t-shirt, because the whole idea is to say that you are diverse,
right?
And the way to say that you are diverse is to wear the diversity t-shirt,
right?
And to proclaim that I am me, I am myself. I am not someone who is trying to cover another artist or be like or sound like or look like another artist. But I'm hoping that in time it will catch up more.
I'm sure it will, and kudos to you for doing that. And I hope next time we speak about the success of this project. And till then, take care and let's stay in touch.
Thank you, Hitesh. You have a wonderful day.
Same to you.